When you're building wood projects, sawdust and chips are unavoidable, but you can do a few simple things to help minimize the mess. The best way to reduce dust is to collect it at the source. A shop vacuum works great since it's portable and can easily be connected to a lot of different tools. When drilling pocket holes, for example, a vacuum attachment sucks up all the chips while you work, so you won't have to clean them up later. Many larger tools, such as a miter saw or this Foreman pocket hole machine, can connect to a vacuum too. To make these setups even easier to use, pick up a tool actuated outlet like this one. You plug your tool into one outlet and your vacuum into the other. Leave your vacuum switch on, and when you turn on the tool, the outlet turns the vacuum on automatically, so you don't have to remember to do it. Sanding is one operation that can really make a mess, and the dust is very fine. Instead of relying on the sander's stock dust bag, connect it to a vacuum as well. Woodworking retailers will also offer high-quality, flexible vacuum hoses that make connecting to a sander easier, so you can spend more time working and less time dealing with dust.